What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to a new series, guys. I'm gonna be calling this the Fly Defined Workout Series. I'm gonna have a workout video every single week, at least one video, guys, that will hopefully get you guys into shape for 2020. It's gonna be incorporating, of course, a skipping rope, and I've also got my main guy, strength and conditioning coach, Mr. Joey.
What's happening, bro? You alright?
You alright, yeah? So this is Joey Scott, guys, from Cut Defined. I'm gonna leave his details down below. Basically, what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna take you through a quick follow along 12 to 13 minute workout, which includes a warm up, and it's gonna have bodyweight exercises that Joey has designed for the workout. He's gonna be putting me through my paces, and hopefully you guys as well behind the camera. And I'm also gonna be taking you guys through my kind of beginner to intermediate level of skipping exercises as well that I want you to incorporate. So without further ado, guys, we get straight into this workout. Remember, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button and join the hottest fitness community across the world today. And if you're unsure about what ropes we use on this channel, this is the Rush Athletic Speed Rope, also known as the Money Rope. Do check my links down below and use YouTube 10 to get started right now with a discount. So guys, we're gonna get through this in 3, 2, 1. Yes, guys, so we're gonna do a quick 1 minute warm up for the skipping component. What I want you to do, right, is I want you to get the rope in one hand. If you've been watching this channel closely, this is the #1 warm up that I always use, right? The Mayweather one-handed side swings, just like this, real simple. Stay nice and light on your feet. I want you guys to make sure you stay on the balls of your feet. The heels come off the ground, they stay off the ground for the whole entire warm-up. And generally in skipping, you're never gonna be jumping flat foot, remember that, right? So balls of your feet, start to kind of mix in a few high knees, mix up the revolution, go from side to side. This is a really easy workout. If you get a little bit tired, just remember, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth, expand those lungs. 5 seconds left of this warm up. 3, 2, 1. Right, you're gonna take a quick 30-second break, guys. I'm gonna bring Joey in right now. Joey, come into the scene, mate. So you're gonna have 30-second break, guys. Hopefully you're following along. The first minute that we're gonna do is actually a run skip, right? So we're gonna get the heart rate up, and when that minute's up, Joey's then gonna go into the first bodyweight exercise. 30 seconds of squats and 30 seconds of crunches. So 1 minute of skipping, guys. It's gonna be the run skip. Once I'm done with this, Joey's then gonna start his bodyweight exercises. So with the run skip, remember, you're gonna be in the balls of your feet. Drive those heels up, drive the knees up. Make sure the breathing is on point as well. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Elbows go back, okay? So I'm gonna spin around here so you guys can see. Elbows go back. I don't want you guys to have the arms out here. Good form, right? You're pushing the rope forward. Nice, good technique, good flow. 15 seconds left. Remember, if you get tired, you can slow it down, but try and get that heart rate up quick as possible. 5 seconds. Remember, gonna go into squats now. There you go. Straight into squats. So Joey, what are you thinking about here? What's the techniques?
So the techniques, nice straight back, engaging your core, driving through the heels.
Yep.
Feet, the knees not going over your toes.
That's it. 5 seconds left of this one.
Squeezing when you're going up.
3, 2. Next one coming, guys, is crunches. Let's go crunches, last 30 seconds.
So here,
Nice and loud.
here crunching. Hand by your head. Up, remember, say squeezing when you get up.
Good. 10 seconds
Keeping
left.
it nice and tight.
That squeeze at the top, guys. 3 seconds left.
That all important squeeze.
2, 1. go for a one-legged skip, guys, for 1 minute. I like to do 10 reps and change. 1, 2. You want to try and make this as difficult as possible, guys, right? What you want to do is you want to make sure the heels stay off the ground. Stay on the balls of your feet. This can be the same technique for all the moves I show you today, but you don't want to be struggling with this, right? You just want to make sure you're nice and nimble, light on your feet, feel the burn in your calves. Here you go. Keep going, guys. 10 seconds left. Next exercise, lunges.
Lunges.
Lunges coming up, guys, in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna join in with Joey here. What's the techniques here, Joe?
So the techniques, again, nice straight back, engaging that core, breathing, taking your time with the reps. Yeah, this is kind of like modified version. So if you want to get a bit more advanced, guys, you can go into jumps. So you can jump.
Nice.
Yeah, so you can get more power. That gives you that explosive power.
What's the next body exercise? 30 seconds to go, guys. Get ups, yeah?
Get ups. So here,
I hate these.
arms out. Arms up.
That's tough.
Modified version, guys. So if you're not that advanced, you can just do this.
Yeah, that's me.
Or you can do this if you're not. Or
5
you can just do
seconds
that.
left. 3. Yeah, I like that one.
That one's better. So if you're advanced,
Difficult, that's tough. Right, back on it, guys. We're gonna go for high knee. So one-legged jumps pretty much again, but now you're driving that knee up. You can go for 5 on each side or 10. Really good for the lower abs, for the core. Remember, it's all about timing and balance. I don't want you to kind of be moving everywhere. Okay, you want to try and stay in the same place. Try and focus on something in front of you. If you've got a mirror, that's perfect. Otherwise, something on the floor would be great. These are tough, guys, man. Remember the breathing. This is the timing, okay? If you're not sure about the timing, you're pretty much bouncing on one leg, but all you're really doing is just touching the foot down and driving up with the knee. 5 seconds left, and we're going with squats with front kick with Joey. Let's go.
alright, guys.
That looks cool.
Again, nice straight back. Remember, always engaging that core, guys. Keeping it nice and tight. Yeah, we've got a bit of core in here as well while we're getting the front leg up. Working them abs.
Nice.
Getting that summer body, that 220 body, guys.
5 seconds left in mountain climbers, peeps.
Ready, guys?
2, 1, let's go, Joey.
Mountain climbers. Hate these. Remember, arm shoulder width apart. And we're climbing up that mountain, guys. We're burning it up. Remembering to breathe at all times. Remember, modified version. Modified, so one leg at a time, but still squeezing and getting that all important squeeze at the top, guys.
Couple of seconds left. And time. That's third cycle, guys. 2 more left, 30-second break. guys, 1 minute. We're going now for basic crossovers. You can incorporate with a boxer step, a basic bounce. We go for a run for advanced. I like to do this with a mixture, with a boxer step, with a run's nice. Really good for the shoulders. Otherwise, keep it nice and easy for you. If you want to just stop from the foundations, remember it's all about timing with this move. No high knees, no double bounce in between, just nice and slick. 20 seconds to go. Really good for the shoulders.
Footwork.
Coordination.
Nice work, nice footwork. Clean.
5 more seconds. What's the first exercise, Joey?
So we're gonna go to jump squats.
Jump squats.
Get ready, guys. Jump
Three,
squats.
two, one.
So feet shoulder width apart, powering up, kind of putting your arms back like you're going into a Superman jump up. Using the quads. Nice soft knees when you go back down onto the floor. So we're not doing this. We're doing nice and soft.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Making sure you come down, soften them knees.
All right, 5 more seconds. What's the next exercise, mate?
So we're going into V sit-ups.
V sit-ups.
So V sit-ups is here. So you've got your feet in the V position.
These are
and you're
tough.
touching your toes or your ankles. If you
Okay.
can't touch the toes, don't worry, just get as far
I'm sorry.
as you can.
Struggling. I hate these.
Remember guys, nice tight core.
5 more
Remembering to
seconds.
breathe.
3 more seconds. I'm dead.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm tired. Alright guys, last cycle we're going to do front straddle. Really good for the legs, very similar to lunges. You can push yourself harder if you want by going with a little bit of a flex in the knee, like a mini lunge, or you stay upright and you keep the distance quite close. So further out, a lot more tougher, or you keep it closer. I'm not gonna lie, Joey, my heart is killing.
That's good, that's good. That's what we want, guys.
Sweating. Need some water.
Feel the workout.
I'm struggling.
Good.
Hope you guys are doing well right now back at home. It's not easy, guys, not easy.
Remembering, guys, take your time. Go at your own pace.
10 seconds left. Joey, what's the next body weight?
And we're going to be doing pulse squats.
Oh, I'm gonna leave you to that, bro.
So pulse squats. 3, 2, 1. So here.
Pulse squats, guys.
So pulse squats. Keeping a lot of tension on the glutes and quads.
Oh, this is a burn. Oh,
So it's a squat, but we're not going all the way up. So we're just keeping the tension on our quads
oh.
and our glutes. Remembering to breathe, guys.
I'm
Very
struggling.
important. Nice straight back.
5 seconds. What's the next one, mate? My legs are burning.
It's going to be Russian twists, guys. So get into your Russian twist position. On the floor. Remember, nice straight core. Nice tight core.
That's it.
Breathe in.
Let me get involved for 15 seconds.
Modified version, guys. Feet on the floor. But make sure you emphasize on that twist. That's the important thing. Twisting for them obliques.
That's it. 5 seconds, guys, you need there. 3, 2,
and
1.
Boom.
Smashed it. Joey, big up.
Big up my guy.
Oh.
Always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure, mate. Listen, guys, that is not easy. And glad to have this guy on board. Once a week, we gotta do it, yeah?
Once a week.
Once a week, guys, we are making a video like this that I want you to follow at home. Try this for at least 3 times a week. Next week, we'll be incorporating everything. total body workout, I'm dead. But remember guys, you don't need a gym for this. All you needed was a skipping rope, a bottle of water, maybe a mat, something easy to work out on. But that was tough, bruv. Smashed it.
Stay winning, peoples.
Stay winning. Listen guys, keep it real for 2020. Without further ado, I'll see you in that next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.